Beach trips or picnics on open ground in the backcountry sounds like fun, but requires taking some unimaginable amount of equipment with you. But did you ever think how annoying it is to drag those essentials for a long time? Well, it is indeed. But how convenient would it be if you could haul all of your beach belongings in a tiny, simple, and suitable wagon that has wheels? Well, make sure you enjoy your beach time without any unwanted baggage hassle by using the top 5 best beach wagons that we will discuss in our video today. So without further ado, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
The Radio Flyer All-Terrain 3-in-1 Easy Folding starts the list with its compactness, versatility, and some other utility features to make your family beach trips more enjoyable. Each of its rugged off-road tires has its pattern, ensuring a smooth and stable ride on uneven terrains. They'll even provide fantastic performance whether you're on pavement, dirt, sand, or gravel. This foldable wagon is made of high-quality DuraClean fabric, ensuring the safety of your possessions up to 150 pounds. Not only that, but it comes with a retractable UV protective canopy and 2 child seatbelts so that your kids don't grow bored of strolling all day. With 3 different seating modes, this wagon is versatile enough for just about every situation, which means you can carry your portable bench along with you. Just load up your beach supplies and you're good to go. Overall, the Radio Flyer All-Terrain 3-in-1 Easy Folding becomes a perfect choice to be folded inside your car trunk, making yourself always ready for beach trips. Next up, let's introduce the Seina SUW-200, a durable and robust beach wagon with some hefty properties for an enhanced outdoor gear hauling experience. This wagon can withstand the pressure from the roughest terrain, making your beach trips more convenient, while its folding mechanism will ensure its compactness and portability. The wagon's frame is made of steel and the fabric is made of polyester, which means you'll be provided with a long-lasting build guaranteed. When it comes to storage space, SUW-200 has 2.6 cubic feet of bucket space that can carry up to 150 pounds of your load. It's a perfect workhorse, not only for your beach outings, but for your day-to-day usage as well. It's lightweight, weighing only 12 pounds, and with a combination of durable build material, tough fabric, and easy portability, the Seina SUW-200 can be an excellent choice for your next beach party. MacSports All-Terrain Beach Wagon, a beach wagon that comes with comparatively chunky tires along with foldability and sturdiness to support you through any terrain you can imagine. It has 2 pairs of substantial plastic wheels that provide excellent traction on any surface, allowing you to maneuver through soft sand, damp soil, rocks, or even snow. As a result, it's more dependable on rough terrain than any other wagon. The Beach Wagon is built with 600D denier polyester fabric, which boasts mildew and UV resistance at the same time. Its powder-coated steel frame will ensure maximum sturdiness for longevity and reliability. This beach wagon has a spacious interior that can hold up to 150 pounds of your loads without needing any assembly and weighs around 22 pounds. It also features 2 mesh pockets that hold your small belongings while you haul through the beach. To sum up, the MacSports All-Terrain Beach Wagon is your go-to choice when it comes to traveling through the most challenging terrains with hefty belongings. The Gorilla Carts Folding Utility Wagon is the next item on our list. This beach wagon unfolds and folds in seconds and is one of the best in terms of modularity. This one-of-a-kind beach wagon features 7-inch flat-free tires that are comparatively larger than other beach wagons, providing superior mobility when combined with enhanced steering and brakes, no matter you're on sand, gravel, or grass. The wagon boasts high-quality sports fabric that's long-lasting, sturdy, and easy to clean. One of the best features of this wagon is it can be easily folded back in seconds, just by pulling a loop while having the capacity to carry loads up to 150 pounds. It has a large storage capacity of up to 7 cubic feet, making it a convenient and spacious way to transport all of your belongings. In addition, its pull handle will provide you with a comfortable hauling experience, reducing tiredness. That said, with a unique folding mechanism, larger space, improved maneuverability, and being as light as 13.5 pounds, the Gorilla Carts Folding Utility Wagon becomes one of the best ways of enjoying your beach holidays. The MacSports 2-in-1 Beach Day Lounger and Cargo Cart, a beach wagon with incredible features that can also be turned into a lounger, rounds off the list as the best of the best. This beach wagon is equipped with a set of rubber wheels that provide a firm grip and allow it to maneuver across sand, concrete, and gravel effortlessly, or any other uneven surface. When it comes to its construction, the beach wagon is made with a combination of an aluminum powder-coated frame. Plus, it's easy to clean 600D denier fabric, which gives you both mildew and UV resistant, along with the ability to haul a payload capacity of 100 pounds. The beach wagon includes a large storage compartment of roughly 4 cubic feet made of mesh and allows you to carry your belongings without breaking a sweat effortlessly. The beach wagon serves as a lounger and can carry up to 225 pounds, making solitary beach outings more convenient and allowing you to enjoy a tan without the added inconveniences. All in all, with this rugged build and utilities, the MacSports 2-in-1 Beach Day Lounger and Cargo Cart doubles as a lounger, making itself a perfect option for you solo travelers out there. So that was our list of top 5 best beach wagons. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you find it helpful. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.